Hi, we are doing exercise 20A, area and perimeter, class 9, question number 7. The question states that the base of an isosceles triangle is 24 centimeter and its area is 192 centimeter square. Find its perimeter. So let's draw the diagram figure. This is an isosceles triangle. This is the base of the isosceles triangle, that is the unequal part, unequal side. These are the equal sides. Let it be A, B, C. Now if we find the unequal side, we can find the perimeter of the triangle, because perimeter is sum of all the sides. So now what is given to us? The area is given. We know that when we draw an altitude from the vertex to the base, let it be AD, it divides the base into two equal portions, that is BD and DC is equal to 12 centimeter each, and this is 90 degree. So we can apply the Pythagoras theorem over here to find the side. So first job will be to find this height. We know that area is equal to half base into height. Fine. So area is 192 given in the sum. Half base is 24, because we are talking about the whole area of the triangle. So we will take 24 and height be h, 2 and 12. So h is 12 goes to the other side and it becomes divide 192 by 12. That is h is 16 centimeter. Fine. Now we got h. Now we know this is the figure where this is the h, this is 90 degree and this is the side A. This is A, this is B and this is D. And this is 12. Because we know that the altitude from the vertex divides the base into two equal parts of an isosceles triangle and equilateral. It is not the case with scalene. So we will apply the Pythagoras theorem here. Pythagoras theorem, what does Pythagoras theorem say? The Pythagoras theorem states that the hypotenuse, which is AB in a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to square of height, this is height, and the square of base, that is base. This is the Pythagoras theorem. So AB square is A square, AD is h square, which we have found over here, that is 16 square, and BD is 12 square, because that is divided into two portions. So this becomes 16 square becomes 256 plus 144 A square. A square is, this together becomes 400. So A will be the square root of 400. The square root of 400 will become your 20 centimeter, which will take only the positive one, not the negative one, because it's the side. And perimeter is the sum of all the sides. That means now A is 20 centimeter. So the perimeter will become 20 centimeter, as these sides are equal. So both the sides will become 20 plus 24, which is equal to 64 centimeter.